Hey everybody, so today I will be experimenting with LEDs. So the very first thing I did is look up the diagram for the breadboard, but I'm not really sure if this part is connected with this one, so I'll check out that later. And then I looked at the diagram for the LEDs, and apparently the left lead is the negative one and the right lead or the long one is the positive. So let's see if it works. Now, as you can see, it does light up, but it's very dim. So I'll get my multimeter and check the voltage of this battery. It should be 3 volts, and we'll go on from there. Okay, so the battery turned out to be 2.17 volts. So I will test my other batteries and see if one is at least 2.5. If one at least like lights up the LED brightly, so we'll see. From all the batteries, only this one worked, which made the LED lit up nicely. It's about 3 volts, which is where I expected. I had 7 batteries and only this one works. So I need to get some new ones. I thought I will have to use the 9-volt battery, but I guess I will use this for now because I want to build a circuit without a resistor first. Okay, so before continuing, I just wanted to see if both of these rails are connected. So I just added those two wires, and using the multimeter it should beep. So let's see. And it's very hard to make it with one hand, so you know what, I'll just pause the video and try. Okay, both rails are not connected. This is separate than this. uh, okay, so let's start building the circuits. Okay, let me just put this LED here, and again, it's so freaking hard with one hand, so we'll see if I can do it. uh, okay, um, just two more wires, hopefully. Let me, okay. Yeah, that video is so janky. I didn't expect that. But okay, it's alright. Oh wait, I forgot to see which one is the anode or cathode. Okay. Wait, how are these connected again? Oh yeah, I'm stupid. Yeah, now it's correct. Okay, let me see. This is the negative one. And again, I forgot to check. Okay, yeah. So I'll connect this one here. And this one here. Okay, I just need to connect the battery now and hope it works. I will close the flashlight and we'll see. I can't get a hold of the battery. Oh god. Okay, yes, please just touch. No, touch. Okay, yeah, here it works as expected. I don't know why I'm so happy, and it's so simple. Like, it's not a big achievement, but I'm so happy still. Okay, I guess now I want to build one with a 9-volt battery. I will need a resistor for that, but like, okay, let's try. Okay, so now I want to use my 9-volt battery to power the LED. So I'm gonna use a resistor, but the problem is I need to figure out the resistance that I need. So I already measured the voltage of the battery and it's about 9.44 volts. And I will assume that the LED requires 3 volts because I didn't have a data sheet or anything to verify that. So we need to shave off 6.44 volts. Okay, so using our equation V equal IR, R equals V over I. Now the problem is that uh, I don't know the amperes that the LED draws. So I will get my multimeter and look it up on YouTube to know how to look it up, how to figure it out, because I have no idea. We'll go on from there. Okay, so I wasn't able to get a reliable reading, so I just found an LED that uses 24 milliamps. So I assumed that my LED uses 25 milliamps, and I'll just use this and put it in the equation and we'll see. So 6.44 divided by 0.025 amps equals 257, approximately 257 ohms. And now let's build the circuit. Okay, so I connected the circuit of camera. So just 1 second. So right now I have uh, those two resistors connected in series. This one is a 220 ohm and this is 220 ohm. So 240 ohm because I needed 257 ohms if I recall correctly. So 440 should be enough. Uh, Now I want to use a switch because I don't like it being on all the time. So let's try upgrading the circuit. Okay, I was able to find a button. I didn't find a switch that fits the breadboard, so I'll try to find one later. So these two leads are not connected unless you press the switch. The other two, this one and this one, are connected always together. So I need to figure out how to connect it together. I'll put it in the middle here. Okay, should be fine. I hope. You know what now? It's easier to get a wire. I need to get a tripod. Damn it. Okay, I think it should work. I'll connect the battery. Okay, that's bad. Oh god, no, I connected it the wrong way. So I should connect it to this lead on the right here. Okay. So this should be here. Okay, and now it doesn't work at all. Pretty nice. uh, okay, I put the opposite. Okay, wait, what is power on for a second? I don't care. Okay, yeah, now it works. The first time I connected the negative to the positive and the positive to the negative, but that's correct. Okay, if I found a switch, I will make another circuit about it. If I didn't, I will not, and you'll see. I didn't find the switch, but I found this thing, which is apparently called ball switch. So apparently it works if it's upright, but if it becomes upside down, it won't work. It will break the circuit. So I want to try this one. Okay, now I really like this one. So here's the ball switch connected in series. Now it works. If I flip it upside down, it stops working. I really like it. Found a small switch and I added it to the system circuit. Here it works. Okay, so something interesting I noticed is that even if I connected the resistors after the LED, it still works and doesn't burn the LED, like it's still decreasing the voltage. I don't understand why, but apparently it's the case. Okay, so this LED is nearly burned out. I will just close the flashlight so I can show you. But now if I try to connect it in parallel, it stops working. I don't know why. So I get another red LED and try it on. Okay, I brought a new one and now it works. It's so bright, but I noticed something. So if I remove this, those two become brighter. Like, see? I don't know why. I think it's related to the load. So I want to know how to make them the same brightness level. Like, I don't want one affecting the other, because that's annoying me. The final circuit I wanted to make is with a potentiometer. So here it is. This is my best soldering job. Okay, so and now it will burn out. Okay, so it's working. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it.